Just completed my first flight in my CruZer with all of the fairings installed. I believe I noticed a little bit of an increase, probably 3 or 4 miles an hour. That's the lower fairing right there. You can see you can still access the wheel bolts, or the strut bolts. And here's the upper wing strut fairing, and I have my light mounted below that. And these are the tail fairings. I think they look pretty good. The black definitely pops out as compared to having try to match the yellow.